Fast repair is a professional repair method which enables small areas of paint damage to be repaired without having to repaint the entire car body. It is a fast and affordable paintwork repair without any loss of quality. The body shop will assess the paint damage on your vehicle with you and advise you if it can be repaired using the fast repair method. Thanks to the Dupont Refinish designed fast repair ruler, the body shop can quickly and easily identify minor damage that is suitable for fast repair. Fast Repair offers an affordable solution for the repair of small paint damage without compromising on quality. The result is a car that looks as good as new.